Hi you guys, it's your girl Taya Latrice and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be featuring my beautiful niece,
Ariana.
And she's going to be doing my makeup. So if you guys are ready to see that, stay tuned.
Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna use the primer. Oh, there. Get a little bit on my finger and put it up here. Here. Right here. Now spread that around and spread the rest out on my auntie's face. There. Makes her face hardy. Next we get the concealer. Now we're gonna put it on my auntie's face. I'm just gonna cover all of these dark spots. Maybe this. Boom. And oh, there's a ton of white here. There. 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 Here. Okay, there's so much.
Bruh.
How many? There. How much dark spots do you even have? Okay. I feel like I'm painting a statue, but makeup. Okay, that's good. That is so good. Great. Next, I have foundation. I'm just going to open it. Oh, there was just a sticker on it. And I'm just going to use the sponge and put it all over her face. Try to make it better. Sponge to draw. I'm just gonna put it on the face. Next is press Flier. Now I'm just gonna open the press Flier. Oh, it just opened it. Oh, it has a secret under there. This is the little sponge thing. So now I'm just going to rub the sponge on it and put it on her face. Oh, this is like smooth, so smooth. There, making it beautiful. So beautiful. How's it gonna get it? Oh, I got some in your hair. Next we got blush. Now I'm just gonna open the blush. Oh, there. Now I'm just gonna put it on the brush. I was kind of making it, and boom, dap it on your cheeks. Look at that. Dust.
Okay.
Yeah, now I got this type of foam. And I'm just gonna put that on her cheeks. Next, eyebrows. Now I'm just going to this. Oh, this is kind of make it. Oh, okay. Now these are bright eyebrows. Other side. And now I'm gonna brush it down. And okay, this is beautiful. Okay, now I got the other eyeshadow because that other one was muddy. I can't even get the, oh, there. Oh, it's so dusty. Wow. And now I'm just gonna put the black. Put the black and I'm just gonna dab it on you. That looks nice, nicer. Yes. Put more. Yes, I love it. I love this. The black, it's the power. Oh yes. At least I got black eyebrows. If there's a eyebrow haircut, Oh, this is something bad. Why is this so bad? Look at some right there. That looks very pretty. Pretty eyebrows. Next we are gonna use some eyeshadow. This is gonna be very fun. I'm just gonna add some, they have sparkly pink. Great, now I can put glitter on you. I'm just gonna put one on this side. Look at that. It's beauty. Pop up black to make a little, hold up, I already know what to use the black for her and for her eye. Looks fashionable. Then her other one. Now we're gonna use some mascara for her eyelashes. So now I'm gonna use some of these glossy lips. There, that looks great. We're gonna use some more lipstick. These two colors of lips. Now I'm gonna use some pink or just both. Looks pretty. Or leave it. There. Now look at that. It looks so pretty. She's like a queen. Now we're going to use the conditioner spray. Now I'm just going to spray right here. Every more. Now she looks so pretty. Do we have to rub this in? Close and move. This is not kind of working. So how does this look? I worked so hard on it. So like all of this I worked. Kind of got a little messed up right there. So what do you have to say, Tay? How do it looks?
It looks great.
Great. Very great. So, what to say? Write in that comment below. And subscribe and like that video.
Alrighty guys, you heard my niece. So make sure you comment down below what you think of my makeup. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.